My name is Kuma, and I'm an instructor here at the Polynesian Club of Fresno, teaching drumming and dancing for quite some time. I'd say a little bit over 10 years now with the business. It's our family business. I didn't really have an option. It was sort of like, okay, you're part of the family, so you're going to teach. So at the beginning, it's something I didn't want to do, but then over time, it was like, oh yeah, I actually really enjoy this. This is something that I can actually see myself doing for, for however long. There wasn't really any inspiration behind it. It's just something that kind of fell into my lap. And then over time, I kind of picked it up as something I really enjoyed. It was something that I was born and danced. I started dancing when I was 4 and drumming when I was 7. So I grew up doing it most of my life. So that's kind of like how I was part of the family, just got involved with it. It was a struggle in the beginning because I was, as a kid, you just want to have fun. And here at the studios, it's like you have to work. And then over time, it was like, okay, this is something that I'm really grateful for, that I'm a part of, because it's a big, the lives that we've affected over the years have been huge. So fire dancing was something that inspired me when I was a kid, because we had, at the time when I was young, we had a fire dancer who came in, his name was Pale from Samoa, the island of Samoa. That's the first time I ever saw it, and I was like blown away as a kid seeing a guy twirl fire on stage and not burn himself. At least that's what I thought at the time. This is what fire dancing is, and this is something that you can do if you really are passionate about it. So I picked it up in 7th grade and learned it, and fire dancing is an ancient dance that goes way back. Kind of like a ceremony. They used it in ceremonies in ancient Samoa, and it was kind of a graduation for kids to become men, And as they grew up, they would do this fire dance that was dangerous with knives and fire, and it was to prove to their village that they were able to grow up.